Hi guys, welcome to another episode of NaijaFoodTube. I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this simple Nigerian egg stew. To make this simple egg stew recipe, we'll need some eggs, some tomatoes and sliced onions, some blended pepper, some curry powder. Here I'm using Titus sardine. We need some vegetable oil, some seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. Into the boiling oil in my skillet, I'll begin by pouring in the onions, the sliced onions, and saute it for a few minutes. Then I'll add my sliced tomatoes. Then I'll add my blended Scotch bonnet. Stir lightly, allow to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. After that, I'll add a little salt to taste. Stir in lightly also, and still allow to cook for a few more minutes. I'll add my curry powder. The idea is to allow the onions and tomatoes caramelize very well. Then I'll add my Titus sardine. If you don't like sardines, you can make use of tuna, canned tuna fish, or any fish. You may even boil your fish and debone them and add into your tomato onion sauce for this delicious egg stew. Now to my egg, I'll add a pinch of salt and whisk thoroughly. About 5 minutes after I'd added the sardine, I'll gently pour in my whisked egg into the tomato onion mix. I'll drop the heat a bit so as to allow the egg cook gently. I'm opening it up to allow the raw egg at the top find its way down so it gets properly heated. You really have to be patient when you're doing this, and in order to allow the egg to swell properly. After a few minutes of flipping overside, there you go, your Nigerian egg stew is ready. This egg stew is usually eaten with boiled plantain, boiled yam. You can even eat it with rice, you can eat it with potatoes, and that's it. I hope you tried this simple Nigerian egg stew recipe. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it in order for you to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.